Pratap, team number 154 from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Engineering Management and Research, Pune, Maharashtra, shortlisted for a round 1 of Samadhan competition. The title for my idea is Disinfection of a Coronavirus from the Garbage, COVID Stigmatizer. The proposed design destroys the coronavirus from the garbage and the infected surfaces where there is a chance of spreading COVID-19. The stigmatizer consists of a boiler of 6 liter capacity producing high pressure dry saturated steam with a temperature 80 degrees Celsius, which can kill the entire virus with 100% accuracy in 15 minutes. It can disinfect 4 buckets at a time. Our application provides 3 users: admin, garbage management for societies, surface cleaning for shopkeepers. Every society or a shop has to register themselves with all the details like number of garbage buckets, shop types and addresses. Monitoring system has admin privileges to look over the number of shops and the societies registered and controlling the process of disinfecting. Even the admin has a control over on and off of the boiler through a mobile app to control the steam temperature. Here, the boiler and the electrode are in the off mode initially with 0 degree. When the admin starts the stigmatizer through the mobile app, the tap gets on, the electrode starts heating and the water is converted to steam and gets collected in the boiler. In the societies, chairman can look after the disinfection of a buckets happening daily through mobile app. When the tap controller is set on and the steam is released from the boiler for the set time period 15 minutes, which is directly passed over the buckets for disinfecting them. For the shops and the individual houses, the government can also implement the stigmatizer on the garbage truck. The solar panel and the batteries are also implemented in the trucks. This truck can be carried to the shops for disinfecting the surfaces. The process can be repeated twice a day for the shops. The system is automated through a mobile app or it can be made manual through the thermostat. The main feature of a design are low cost, around 10K, efficient power management through solar panels, heat sink material and insulation material as a safety measures. It can be used for sanitizing the medical shops and the hospitals. Thank you.